so glad we started this podcast.
Me too. The feedback has been incredible.
Right? I can't wait for the next episode.
It's going to be great.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English in Real Life. We're so excited to help you today.
Hello, everyone. I'm Mike, and Sarah and I just made an interesting discovery.
And I'm Sarah. Mike, tell them what we noticed.
Last week, we sat in a coffee shop for 3 hours. We watched over 100 people order coffee.
And we noticed something fascinating. Local English speakers order coffee in 30 seconds. Quick, confident, easy.
But tourists? They take 3 to 5 minutes. They look confused, they point at the menu, they say, a lot.
And here's the thing. It's not because their English is bad. It's because they don't know the system.
Exactly. Ordering coffee in English-speaking countries has a specific pattern, specific vocabulary, specific steps.
Once you know the system, it becomes easy. You order in 30 seconds like a local.
So today we're teaching you the complete guide to ordering coffee in English.
Every single step, from entering the cafe to sitting down with your coffee.
All the vocabulary, all the phrases, all the customs.
After today, you'll order coffee confidently anywhere in the world.
Are you ready to become a coffee ordering expert? Let's begin.
Step 1. Entering the cafe. What happens first?
When you enter, you see a line, people waiting to order. Join the line at the back.
In the US and UK, we say get in line, in the queue, wait your turn.
While waiting, look at the menu. The menu is usually on the wall behind the counter.
Let's learn the basic coffee types. These are essential.
Type 1, espresso. Listen, espresso. Strong, small coffee, very concentrated.
Type 2, americano. Listen, americano. Espresso with hot water. Bigger than espresso, still strong.
Type 3, latte. Listen, latte. Espresso with lots of steamed milk, smooth and creamy.
Type 4, cappuccino. Listen, cappuccino. Espresso with steamed milk and foam on top.
Type 5, flat white. Espresso with microfoam milk, similar to latte but less milk.
Type 6, mocha. Listen, mocha. Espresso with chocolate and steamed milk. Sweet.
Type 7, macchiato. Listen, macchiato. Espresso with just a little milk.
And of course, regular coffee. Just plain black coffee. Simple.
Now sizes. In most coffee shops, 3 sizes.
Small, also called tall at Starbucks, the smallest size.
Medium, also called grande at Starbucks, medium size.
Large, also called venti at Starbucks, the biggest size.
So while waiting in line, decide what type, what size.
Look at the menu, choose your coffee, be ready when it's your turn.
Step 2, your turn to order. You step up to the counter. What does the barista say?
The barista usually says, "Hi, how are you?" Or, "What can I get for you?" Or, "What can I get started for you today?"
This is just friendly greeting. You can say, "Hi, I'd like a coffee, please." Or, "Hello, can I get a latte, please?"
Or simply, "Hi, a cappuccino, please."
Let's practice. I'll be the barista, you be the customer.
Ready, as customer.
Good morning. What can I get for you today?
"Hi, I'd like a latte, please."
Great. What size?
"Medium, please."
Perfect. Anything else?
"No, that's all."
Easy. Now let's learn customizations.
Step 4, customizing, making your coffee exactly how you want it.
The barista might ask questions. Let's learn them.
Question 1, what kind of milk or what type of milk?
Options: whole milk, skim milk, 2% milk, oat milk, almond milk, soy milk.
You say, "Whole milk, please," or "Oat milk, please."
Question 2, would you like that hot or iced?
Hot means warm. Iced means cold with ice.
You say, hot please, or iced please.
Question 3, any sugar or sweetener?
Options: sugar, no sugar, artificial sweetener, honey.
You say, "No sugar, thanks," or "1 sugar, please."
Question 4, room for cream? This means, do you want space in the cup to add cream yourself?
You say, yes, please, or no, fill it up.
Question 5, any flavor? Vanilla, caramel, hazelnut, pumpkin spice.
You say, vanilla, please, or no flavor, thanks.
Now let's do a complete order with customizations.
I'll be the customer this time.
As barista, hi, what can I get for you?
As customer, hi, can I get a large latte?
Sure, what kind of milk?
Oat milk, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot.
Any flavor?
Vanilla, please.
Any sugar?
No sugar, thanks.
Perfect. Anything else?
That's it?
Perfect.
Step 5. Very important question. For here or to go?
This means, are you staying in the cafe or taking the coffee with you?
For here means staying, drinking inside the cafe. They give you a ceramic cup.
For to go means taking it with you. They give you a paper cup with a lid.
In the UK, they say eat in or take away.
Same question. Eat in means for here, take away means to go.
How to answer?
You say, for here please, if staying.
You say to go please if leaving.
Some people say to take away or take out. Same meaning.
Let's add this to our order.
As barista, large oat milk latte with vanilla and a muffin, for here or to go.
As customer, for here please.
Great.
Step 6. Payment. The barista tells you the total.
They say, that'll be $6.50, or your total is $6.50.
You can pay with cash, credit card, or phone.
If paying with card, they might ask, chip or tap?
Chip means insert your card. Tap means contactless payment.
You say, tap, please, or just tap your card on the machine.
After paying, they often ask, would you like a receipt?
You say, yes, please, or no thanks.
Important tip. In the US, tipping is common. 15 to 20% tip.
The card machine shows tip options, $1, $2, or percentage.
Choose your tip amount, or select no tip if you prefer.
After paying, the barista says, I'll call your name when it's ready.
Or, we'll bring it to you.
Let's practice the payment.
That'll be $8.25.
Here you go.
Would you like a receipt?
No thanks.
Perfect. I'll call your name when it's ready.
Thank you.
Done.
Step 7. Waiting for your coffee.
After paying, step to the side. Wait near the pickup area.
The barista makes your coffee, then calls your name.
They say, large oat milk latte for Sara, or Mike, your cappuccino is ready.
You walk to the counter and say, that's me, or thank you.
Pick up your coffee. Check if it's correct.
If something is wrong, politely say, excuse me, I ordered oat milk, not regular milk.
They'll fix it. No problem.
Common things to check. Size correct, milk correct, hot or iced correct.
Once you have your coffee, you're done at the counter.
Step 8. Finding a place to sit.
Look around for an empty table or chair.
If all tables are full, you can ask, is this seat taken?
If someone says, no, go ahead, you can sit.
If they say yes, sorry, my friend is coming, find another seat.
In busy cafes, it's okay to share large tables with strangers. Just ask, do you mind if I sit here?
They usually say, no, go ahead, or sure, no problem.
Once seated, enjoy your coffee.
Let's do one complete order from start to finish, everything we learned.
Perfect. I'll be the barista. You be the customer.
Ready. As customer, approaching counter. Hi there, what can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?
Sure, what kind of milk?
Oat milk, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot.
Any flavor?
No flavor, thanks.
Any sugar?
No sugar.
Okay, anything else?
Yes, can I also get a blueberry muffin?
Of course, for here or to go.
For here, please.
Perfect, that'll be $8.50.
Here.
Receipt?
No thanks.
Great, I'll call your name when it's ready.
Thank you.
After 2 minutes, Sara, medium oat milk latte.
Tapping. Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Breaking character. That's the complete process.
From entering to sitting down with your coffee.
Let's review all the essential phrases.
Ordering. I'd like a, / can I get a, / can I have a.
Size: small, medium, large.
Milk. Whole milk, skim milk, oat milk, almond milk, soy milk.
Temperature: hot, iced.
Additions. With vanilla, / no sugar, / extra shot of espresso.
Food: and a muffin, please, / can I also get a croissant?
Location. For here, / to go.
Payment: chip or tap, / no receipt, thanks.
Pickup. That's me, / thank you.
Problems: excuse me, this isn't what I ordered, / I asked for oat milk.
From entering the cafe to drinking your coffee.
Now you know the complete system.
The vocabulary, the customs, the phrases.
My friends, we have some tips for you.
Tip 1. Don't be afraid to ask questions. What's a flat white? What's the difference between latte and cappuccino?
Baristas are happy to explain.
Tip 2. If you don't understand, ask them to repeat. Sorry, could you repeat that?
Tip 3. You can always point. If you can't remember the word, point at the menu.
Tip 4. Practice before you go. Say your order out loud at home.
Tip 5. Most coffee shops have Wi-Fi. You can translate if needed.
Okay, my friends, we have a question for you.
What's your favorite coffee drink? Do you like lattes, cappuccinos, americanos?
Tell us in the comments. We want to know. And have you ordered coffee in English before? How was your experience?
Share your stories. Okay, everyone, that's all for today.
We hope this complete guide helps you order coffee confidently.
Remember, practice makes perfect. Listen to this episode multiple times.
If you liked this lesson, please give it a thumbs up.
And subscribe to English in Real Life for more practical travel English.
Share this with friends who love coffee.
Everyone needs to learn how to order coffee in English.
Thank you so much for learning with us today, my friends.
Happy coffee drinking. Enjoy your travels.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.